All right, so I got these ER16 nuts that I've been anxiously waiting for from IDC Woodcrafts, which is, I don't know, that's Chinese there. That might say IDC Woodcraft, but um, yeah, M22 thread. I went and left a review on them, and my fault. I should have realized when they didn't put any kind of description of the thread or anything on that they were probably going to be wrong. And I just did a whole video just going absolutely ballistic. But I'm going to calm down now. You know what? That beer's empty. I'm going to grab this other beer and we're going to move on. So I got no video today on the IDC Woodcraft nuts. They sent it in this bag, which I should have known when they sent it in this bag. This is what they give you with shell casings when you bury a family member in the military. I was in the military myself, so I buried 3 of them. Got 3 of these. Should have known. It's a bad omen. But anyways, I did update my little decibel meter thing on the Raspberry Pi. I can't actually, you know what? I can test it out. Let's just turn the Spindle on because there's no nut in there. We did something yesterday, and what was it? 16, 17 on the decibel meter with the factory CNC nut. This is all you're gonna get tonight, to be honest. Um, see how quiet this one is. So it runs at high 14, low 15 factory. Let's reset that. So 15.6 peak, 15.7. We'll go ahead and put a tool in there. That nut that's sitting on there right here, that's the IDC garbage nut. We'll go ahead and stop that. So it runs about 1 decibel off of the factory nut from CNC Labs. And you know what? Here's the factory nut. Is this the factory nut? No, that one's junk. Factory nut. Yep, that's factory nut. We'll take the tool out and we'll just spin this up in there just with the collet and see if it gets any worse. Wow. Took about all the threads up on the spindle. I don't want to go too tight on that. Take out any threads that aren't there. Spin that up. Okay, so that's with I don't know if that was a collet that came from CNC Labs, so I can't really say, but a little louder. We'll stop that. And we'll go ahead and put in what are we going to put in? We're going to put in a down cut, 1/4 inch down cut. The big fluted tool, not big fluted tool, but 1/4 inch fluted tool. Shove that up the hole there. Maybe. You can maybe take it all the way off. Yep, 1/4 inch down cut, 1 inch cut length, and let's spin this up. Same factory collet nut, so we went empty to a collet with a tool in it. So we'll spin that up, bring up the meter. Wow, that's so nice. We got even quieter with the tool in it. That was beautiful. So we're just gonna do something from last night. So I did that. No collet, no collet, no collet nut, then collet nut with a collet in it. And now with a 1/4 inch down cut end mill, and it actually got quieter. I'm gonna switch to tool 4. Um, I'm upset about those collet nuts. M6T4. Actually, let's not do that because I don't even know what's in there. G65 PTO 203. Tool 1. Okay, that's perfect. M6T4. So we're going to drop off tool 1. We're going to pick up tool 4, which is, it's a 90-degree V-bit on a Amazon collet. You know what? Let's not do that. Let's go M6T7. Let's empty the collet, and then I'll take that same fluted down cut 1/4 inch end mill. So we have a apples to apples comparison. All right. M61 Q0. Enter. Oh, we gotta get out of the that there. Now we can go M61. M61 TQ0. 61 0. Done. Okay. M6T4. M6T4. And then I'll put that fluted down cut end mill in there. There's tool 4. Get rid of that. Put that in there. There's T4. Go ahead and run that. M6T4. Correct. All right. Back up and running. Let's reset this dB meter. And we'll spin this baby up. Well, I don't even know what RPM we run. It doesn't really matter, does it? It's the same. Yeah, spindle. Forward. That's crazy. Stop. Let's just stay on the screen. It might. Let's try this. That's just gonna minimize. So spin this up again quickly. I think that pushes up to 31. That's like 6 dBs higher. That's the same tool. Almost 7. Yeah. Oh, beautiful Amazon collet nut. Ah, boy. Turn that off where it ventilates the oil pan. That's all I got tonight. I was looking forward to my IDC these nuts, and they're, I mean, if you got a CNC lab spindle, don't buy them. If you don't, I couldn't test them to tell you how good they are or how bad they are. But I can tell you their websites. I should know better. It's realistically it's my fault. I'm probably gonna take the hit on these, and I should have like sent a message and says are these M19s, and I didn't, and I effed up. I assumed he had an alt mill. He was selling alt mill style parts, and he's just got somebody in South Korea running his website because we're selling nuts from. I don't know if you guys tell me if that's Chinese, Japanese, South Korean. I don't know. Don't really care. They're no good. That's it for tonight. Excuse me. I'm gonna go drink some more beer because I got nothing to do.